Why am I wearing a suit in bed? Because you can attend my workshop even if you're in bed or in your living room or at your desk. We're going to talk about hypnotic influence, how you can share your message from your heart where it connects with others, where you don't get shut down and they actually hear what you have to say and feel what you're sharing. I'm also going to be sharing how do you dehypnotize people. We see a lot of people in our world that are hypnotized. How do you get them out of hypnosis? Well, that's one of the techniques I use professionally with my clients all the time. Examples of how the news uses these hypnotic techniques to program society. And you know what? Once you know the tricks, they're not going to work on you as much. I think everyone should know this information. But I guess you're the lucky chosen one that gets to see this video to be invited. So whether you're in your bed or you're in your living room, you can join us this Wednesday. I'll see you there.